So this is our Bitor handheld vacuum. It came with all the parts just as it described, and it looks like this thing is going to work really, really well. It already came with a charge. I had a bunch of dog hair all over this bedspread. Before I started the video, I already sucked it all up, but it just worked perfectly. There's a filter inside. It's not very loud, which is kind of surprising, but it's a great little handheld vacuum. I think it's lightweight, beyond easy to operate, and I can't wait to try out all the other pieces.
Broke the very first time I used it. Let me see where it broke off from the inside while I was using it the very first time.
Hey everyone, I would like to show you some of the features of this hand vacuum. It is meant to use for dry or wet spills. It is nice and small, very lightweight, and super convenient. So let me show you the attachments that it comes with, which can be used directly in the unit. You have a small brush. It's got some nice coarse bristles, really good quality. You just insert that in there. And then it also has a longer wand with a very narrow end, so you can get into the cracks and crevices if you need to. It goes on like that. Now, if you need to have a further reach and you want some length, they gave you a nice extension tube here. But what you need to do is, there are two other attachments here, and you need to put them on either end of the tube. So I'll put that one on that end, and this one on this end, because this end is a very narrow end there compared to this, as you can see, so that this flat end fits into the unit, and that way you can add your other attachments. You can use it either like this and you know, suck up the debris with that, or you can again use these attachments on here like that, or this one. So you have lots of options here with the attachments that they give you, or you just use it like so without any of them. The filters, it came with 2 extra filters, so actually you get 3 total, and you simply will release this button here and open up the head, and there's your filter, and that's of course how you're going to clean it as well, and clean the unit out once you suck up the debris, which I'm going to do in a moment to show you. But then you can also remove the filter and then wash it and put it back in, and then once you need to replace it for good, of course they give you these 2 filters here. So just make sure that snaps back into place like that. The charging cable, here it is. It goes right beneath that handle there, and the USB. And when you plug this in, you'll see a light. It illuminates red when it's charging. Once it's finished charging, and it takes about a full 3 to 4 hours when it's fully dead to charge, and it'll turn green and you're good to go. And I believe your time of use on a charge is 30 minutes. So with that said, let me show you how it works. So I got some oatmeal I spread on the counter here. You simply push this button forward. And there you go, nice and clean. This is a great unit. I'm really pleased with it. It's great quality. I hope the review was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Take good care.
I'm just showing you that I keep this thing in my car right by underneath the seat, and it's always ready when I need to do a quick little cleaning job. I have it just right under the seat, and it holds its charge. I think it's great.
charges on its cradle. Comes with a couple accessories. You take it off. It has tons of power. And it has a light. Works great for quick cleanups, and it's really powerful.
Alright, so this vacuum cleaner came packaged very well. Nice little box, good packaging on the inside. Instruction manual, very easy to read. So, vacuum cleaner came put together, but I took it apart so that I could show you how easy it is to put it together. This is the reservoir, so to empty it, you just push this little button right here, empty it into the garbage. Plastic pre-filter, very easy to clean. Air filter, twist it, place it in there. Came with an extra one. Came with a little brush to clean the crevices. Came with mounting hardware. Just put it back on like that. Very simple to use. Has a little light, so you can see in hard to reach places. We'll get back to the operation of it. Came with this charger and mounting bracket, so you can mount it on the wall like this. Vacuum cleaner sets on there and charges. Came with these attachments that also mount. This is a crevice tool in between vehicle car seats, stuff like that. This is an upholstery attachment for cleaning carpets and sofas. So, has 2 speeds. Has low. Has high. And just to show you, we're going to vacuum up the mounting hardware.
Empty it.
Nice.